Hey, do you get nervous talking to strangers? Do you consider yourself socially awkward? Does your heart pound at networking events? If so, this video is about to make your life a whole lot better, baby, because we have 7 ways to make a conversation with anyone. Let's jump in. Way number 1, just fire off the first word. Hi, hey, hello, what's up? As soon as you walk up to someone and fire off the first word, that first word opens up the floodgates for the conversation. You have had thousands and thousands and thousands of conversations in your entire life. So if you just walk up and fire off the first word, your brain will take care of the rest. Way number 2, pay a unique compliment. People are not gonna remember what you said, people are not gonna remember what you did, but people are gonna remember how you made them feel. And who doesn't love a unique compliment, right? That makes you feel good. So make sure you give a unique compliment and don't just tell a supermodel she's beautiful, right? If it's not unique, if it's a compliment people hear all the time, it's not gonna mean anything, but make sure you take the time to have a specific, unique compliment when you are ready to make a conversation. Way number 3, ask for an opinion. We all have opinions and we all want our opinions to be heard and validated. So when you walk up and ask someone for an opinion on something simple, they are gonna be so excited to answer that for you and give you their opinion. Just stay away from the complicated questions. Keep it simple. Way number 4, ask an open-ended question. Open-ended questions are great because they don't just stop conversations in their tracks when you just ask something that's a yes or no answer. When you ask an open-ended question, people then can give facts, people can give their opinions, people have to elaborate on more than just a yes or no answer. So open-ended questions are a great way to start a conversation. Way number 5, my absolute favorite open-ended question to ask people is, what was the best part of your day today? And I build rapport with anybody that I ask this question to. I love to do it with grocery clerks, people at the drive-through window, cashiers, just on a quick exchange, what was the best part of your day today? And it really lights people up because they have to think about all the good things that happened to them throughout their day and then share with you which one of those things they thought that was the best. So give it a try and let me know in the comments later how it went. Way number 6 is skip the small talk. Don't get caught up in the societal norms of conversation, right? Hey, how are you doing today? Good, I'm fine. How are you? Great. What's new? Same old, same old. You wasted a minute right there, right? You waste time when you bother with small talk. So make sure that when you are approaching someone to have a conversation, you use one of the previous tips, ask open-ended questions, pay unique compliments, and try to avoid falling into the ruts of small talk, because that's boring. Way number 7 is to be present. If you're gonna have a conversation with someone, don't be looking at your phone, don't be looking around. Make sure to hold eye contact with that person. Nod, right? Show body language that you're interested and that you're paying attention. And most importantly, if it's somebody new and you learn their name, try repeating their name back to them because a person's name is the most important sound to them in any language. So there you have it, guys. 7 ways to make a conversation with anyone. Use one or a mixture of these topics the next time you're at a networking event or just out around in your community looking to make a conversation, because the more conversations you can have with people, the more opportunities you can create for yourself, and you never know who out there is gonna have a next amazing opportunity for you. So if you got any value out of this video, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, leave a comment, let me know your thoughts or if you have suggestions for future videos, because here we are always looking to be our best self. I'll see you next time. Keep ascending.